So this is a superior room here in the Raddison Blue. And you get a nice sized TV, a nice sized bed here, nice sized picture, nice, very nice decor. A little area here so you can work on if you're here for business. You can set up your laptop or your computer here, a nice sized desk, decent material chairs, plenty of sockets that you can plug into, and your remote control for your TV, and then some internet cables there as well, and a nice little lamp that works. Let's look at the view. It's not too bad. I've been in worse, but certainly, you know, you got the other windows and rooms here on the left, and you got the little area down there, which is like a little courtyard area. Here's the room from this angle. So over there, you can see you got a nice little storage area for your clothes. You got plenty of drawers, a fridge, and a safe. You can also have the option to have this bed come out as well. We had this because we've obviously had to put Alias on the room booking, so they made out this bed for him as well. But you can see you got another lamp in the corner as well, which you can switch on. On the left side of your beds, you have the sockets, all your light switches, and also your lamps here as well, and your reading lights. You've got Type-C sockets with also USB, and then you just normal sockets there, with a bedside table with some storage area below. A nice sized bed with a nice LED strip going all the way along. And then here's your TV with your suitcase area here. Little chair here that Adi is currently sitting on with Alias. A nice little side table. You also have a thermostat gauge here which you can control your heating or your aircon. There's a nice fridge down here, decent size if you want to go get some drinks, maybe with your friends or just here. Generally, you can put your fridge. You can fill your fridge with all your drinks and stuff. And of course, you've got a kettle, and a cup, and 2 glasses, and 3 bottles of water on the back side. And of course, you've got all your coffee stuff in there as well. A nice size safe to store your belongings in. A few more shelves, and then you've just got some storage compartments under here as well. Nice size mirror at the front here. And then into the bathroom, you've got a nice big size shower with the on and off button here, and you could probably fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people in here. Not quite sure that matters, but you know it's quite big. Some handrails, and you've got your body wash, conditioner, and shampoo with a nice powered shower. And then here you've got the sink with the glasses, and of course shower caps and tissues, a nice mirror to use, and a nice big mirror with an LED strip going around the back, and a hand wash and hand body location here also. You also get provided with lots of towels, a shower stand-on mat, and also hand towels. And then you've got a nice modern style toilet here as well, with a modern switch also. And then the back of the door in the Raddison Blue, you always get your hairdryer bag with a hairdryer inside as well. And yeah, it's very nice, very modern. So there's obviously very modern, very spacious in here. It's a good sized room for what you pay for.
I don't think it's quite a new hotel, isn't it?
Yeah, it is quite a new hotel as well. So it's a good location in Sheffield. If you wanted to stop here, you can just walk straight out the door, and you can basically turn right or turn left, and it takes you straight into the centre area. So the actual price of this room was £106. That was including breakfast in the morning. The breakfast goes from 7 o'clock to 11 o'clock in the morning, but you have to make sure that you're a member to get that price. But all you need to do is sign up to be Raddison Blue member online, and you can be a member, and you'll get those type of prices. Otherwise, you'll have to pay more essentially. But yeah, so that's the room tour. I hope you enjoyed it.